Standard 8th, History, Lesson number 7, the Non-Cooperation Movement. Students, today I'm going to give you all the textual question answer markings of this lesson. So open your textbooks to page number 35. At the end of the lesson, you'll see the exercise, textual exercise. Question number 1. Rewrite the statements by choosing the appropriate options. The first one, Gandhiji began his career from the country of dash. The answer is South Africa. Second, the farmers started the no tax movement in the district of dash, Kheda. Third, as a protest to the Jallianwala Bagh massacre, Rabindranath Tagore returned the title of dash bestowed upon him by the British government. The answer is Sir. Question number 2. Answer the following questions in one sentence. We'll see the first question. Which restrictions were put up on the blacks in South Africa according to the Declaration of 1906? The answer to this question is on page number 31. So let us go to page 31. Left hand side. Second paragraph, just below the picture of Mahatma Gandhi. In 1906, the government declared that it was compulsory for the blacks to carry an identity card and their freedom was restricted as well. Till here, that is answer 2.1. Now we'll see question number 2.2. Where did Gandhiji launch the first Satyagraha in India? Now the answer to this question, you're going to begin from the question itself. Okay, so I have made some changes over here. Gandhiji. Now your answer will always be in the past tense. So launch will change to launched. Add ed to it. Gandhiji launched the first Satyagraha in India. After that you're going to write at. So Gandhiji launched the first Satyagraha in India at, and the answer to this is on page 31. At which place? At right hand side, second last paragraph over here. At Champaran in the year 1917. That is answer 2.2. Next question, the third one. Which officer gave orders of firing in the Jallianwala Bagh? The answer to this is on page number 32, and again we'll continue the rest part of the answer from the question itself. So let us go to page number 32. Right hand side, second last paragraph, first line. General Michael O. Dyer. General Michael O. Dyer. And the rest of it, you're going to continue from the question itself. General Michael O. Dyer gave orders of firing in the Jallianwala Bagh. Next question, question number 3. Answer the following questions in 25 to 30 words. You'll see the first one. Explain the philosophy of Satyagraha. The answer to this question is on page number 31. Right hand side, first paragraph. See, it's highlighted over here. Philosophy of Satyagraha. First line, first point. Gandhiji brought in a novel technique of Satyagraha in the popular movement. Second, Satyagraha means insistence of truth. Third, the main objective of Satyagraha is through patience and Satyagraha, an unjust person is made aware of truth and justice and also bring transformation in his views. The fourth and the last point, a person following Satyagraha should never use violence and untruth means. Till here, your answer comprises of 4 points. That is answer 3.1. Now we'll go to the next question, answer 3.2. Why was the Swaraj Party established? The answer to this question is on page number 34. Left hand side, first paragraph, it's highlighted over here, Swaraj Party. First line, first point. The members of Indian National Congress, such as Chittaranjan Das, Motilal Nehru, put up the idea of contesting elections and obstructing the work of the British government. Second point, in 1922, the Swaraj Party was established. After that, I want you all to leave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. See the 7th line, that is point number 3. The fight in the Legislative Assembly was strengthened by the Swaraj Party. Fourth point, cancel they, and in place of they, you're going to write it. I've written over here with blue ink. It severely opposed the unjust policies of the British. Till here, answer 3.2, which comprises of 4 points. Now we'll go to the next question. Question number 4. Explain the following statements with reasons. Explain the following statements with reasons. The first one, Rowlatt Act was opposed by the people of India. The answer to this is on page number 32. Let us go to page 32. Left hand side, third paragraph, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth line. Left hand side, third paragraph, see the ninth line. Can you see Rowlatt Act over here? Before Rowlatt Act, I want you all to write the. Okay, I've written it with blue pen, blue ink. And after Rowlatt Act, I want you all to cancel this act. So your first point goes this way. The Rowlatt Act gave the right to the government to arrest anybody without any warrant or imprison without any trial. Second point, appeal was prohibited against the punishment given through this act. Third point, the Indians call this act as the Black Act. Then the fourth point is, now children, 3 points I marked over here on page number 32. And because it is a give reason, the fourth point is going to be the question itself. So let us go back to the question for the fourth point. Fourth point, before the question, you're going to write therefore. Okay, so your fourth point goes this way. Therefore, then you're going to write the question. The Rowlatt Act was opposed by the people of India. So this was the fourth point of this answer. So answer 4.1, which comprises of 4 points in totality. We'll see 4.2. Gandhiji suspended the non-cooperation movement. Gandhiji suspended the non-cooperation movement. The answer to this question is on page number 33. So let us go to page 33. Right hand side, just above the pink box. Do you know box? Pink colored one. Just above that. See the paragraph above that. First line, first point. In February 1922, the police opened fire on a peaceful procession at Chauri Chaura in Gorakhpur district of Uttar Pradesh. Second point, the people were angry and set fire to the police station, in which, along with one officer, 22 policemen were killed. Third point, due to this incident, Gandhiji was hurt. Fourth and the last point, on 12 February 1922, Gandhiji suspended the non-cooperation movement. Till here, answer 4.2, which comprises of 4 points. Now we'll go to the next question, that is 4.3. The Indians boycotted the Simon Commission. The answer to this question is on page number 34. The Indians boycotted the Simon Commission. Let us go to page 34. Here. Left hand side, second last paragraph. It's highlighted in pink. Simon Commission. First line, first point. The reforms introduced by the Montague-Chelmsford Act of 1919 were unsatisfactory. Second point, hence there was discontent among the Indian people. Third point, on this background, the British appointed a commission under the chairmanship of Sir John Simon. Fourth point, In this commission, none of the Indian member was included. Fifth and the last point, hence the Congress decided to boycott the commission. Till here. Answer 4.3 comprises of 5 points. Next question, 4.4, that is the last question of this lesson. Khilafat movement was started in India. Khilafat movement was started in India. The answer to this question is on page number 32 and 33. So let us go to page 32. Right hand side, last paragraph, first line. Can you see Khilafat movement highlighted in pink? First line is your first point. Muslims all over the world regarded the ruler of Turkey. Now the continuation of this point is on the next page, page number 33, left hand side, first point. First line. Muslims all over the world regarded the ruler of Turkey as their religious leader. This is your first point. Second point. During the First World War, Turkey fought against the British. Third point. To get the support of the Indian Muslims in the war, the British had assured that after the end of the war, Khalifa's empire will not be harmed. Fourth point. But after the end of the First World War, England did not stick to its assurance. Fifth, a tide of great discontent aroused among the Muslims. Sixth and the last point, the movement started by Indian Muslims to support the Khalifa was called the Khilafat movement. Till here, answer 4.4, which comprises of 6 points. So children, I want you all to copy down all these question answers in your history notebook. Thank you, boys.